our console. We don't need navigation. We need, so let's put the console right there. Let's hit play. Okay, and then I hit stop. So right here, this should be going to this point right here in the script if I double click on it. So this is giving us coordinates as to where it should go, but this doesn't really do anything for us apparently. So this particular AI system requires a target, which happens to be this object right here. If we look here, that's the target object. What we want to do is we're going to move this target object to wherever the patrol point is, or to wherever it's supposed to move to. And that's just simply by making that public in the script. So public transform target, and now we can put target dot position equals target point, and that'll move the whatever this particular target is to that point. For right now, we're going to disable that pathfinding systems log just to make that a little less cluttered. And we can't forget to actually assign the target here. So here we go, target. Let's go ahead and let's move this target point to 0, 0, 0 so that it will be obvious if it is actually moving to the patrol point. Actually, let's make sure. Yep, there's our first patrol point, so that's where the target should move to. And let's hit play. And sure enough, the target moved over there. And now here is the AI moving over to that point. Now if you see, this particular AI stops at that patrol point. This is due to a threshold on the path system that basically told it that the target was already reached. However, our threshold on the patrol state is smaller than that, therefore it never goes to the next target, or it never goes to the next patrol point. So what we want to do is extend this out. Let's put it to about 5. And let's go ahead, actually let's select that, let's hit play. And we will watch the AI down here, and it should switch points. And it goes to the next patrol point. And then it'll go to the next patrol point. Let's get rid of that drawing up there, just so that we can see. And that should be its next patrol point right there. And it goes back here. And I believe we have the patrol state set to once, so it should not go again. If we, and we'll just for fun, we'll set it to loop. Alrighty, now there are just a couple more little things we want to do, and that is we have our target speed and our target, or our rotation speed. Let's do let's cache the what is it called? Let's see here. Should be AI follow. Yeah. So we don't need to assign that through the inspector. We will just call it follower, and we know that that component exists on this object, so just do follower equals get component AI follow, and this this follower just so happens to have a speed and a rotation speed. So we can, let's get out of that, let's close that. Let's say, so here within the onMove function, let's do follower dot speed equals target speed. That is the speed that we're targeting the AI agent to move at. And let's do follower dot rotation speed equals rotation speed, because that is how we want to set up our player to rotate whatever we set up on the AI behaviors. So let's go ahead and hit play. Actually, let's go down here. We're on the patrol state, so we have movement speed and rotation speed right here. And actually, just so that we can see the direction that it's going, let's add a capsule, put the capsule into the player, zero that out, and let's go into our scene view, make that much smaller. And which way is this facing? Okay, Z is down that yellow line. And so therefore let's rotate that object 90 degrees there. Let's move it there and move it up. So it's like a big nose. And we need to remove this collider. That can cause some problems. We just want to see which way it's pointing. We don't really care to have a collider on it. And alrighty, so now we can see in here which direction it is going. And let's switch that so we don't have to draw any more than we need to. And let's hit play. And our speed is extremely slow. So let's go down here and we will speed it up. And now he's going very, very fast. So let's reduce him. You know what, let's hit pause. Speed set to 10. Let's go to the scene. Let's move this camera up a little bit just so we can see more of the thing. Let's bring that capsule a little bit larger just so you can kind of see it. Let's actually give it the same material. So it contrasts against that white a little bit more. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit play. Let's close that out because it really kills the frame rate. And there we go. And of course you can change the rotation speed too. So I believe that will make it rotate very slow. Yes. Alrighty, so this right here is all the code you really need to get started if you're using this particular pathfinding system. If you use any other system, you may have to do a little bit more than this. Hopefully not, but chances are if the path system itself handles the movement of the character, you should probably be fine. But if the pathfinding system only finds the path for you and you need to control the movement, it'll be a little bit more code than this. So anyway, I hope this helps and have a good day.